I have seen many people complain about the 3D, their circumstances, and how things are going the wrong way and nothing is happening. They keep on explaining their situation to everyone instead of applying the law. I have even seen some people commenting on the video with the exact same question and their story attached, which I have clearly discussed in that particular video. That makes me wonder if they are even applying the law or just romanticizing their stories. Many of you think that 3D is your enemy, but it is not. The enemy that is keeping you stuck in those situations is your old story. The story you keep on repeating and telling everyone instead of going forward and changing it. You are doing the opposite. You are making friends with your old story and assuming 3D to be the villain. While it is completely opposite, 3D is your friend and has always been your friend. Now, some of you will be like, what are you even saying? I am blocked by a specific person. They don't love me. My circumstances are opposite. How can I be friends with the 3D? If we become friends, doesn't that mean I am accepting these scenarios? Well, I will try to answer all of your queries in this video and leave you with an awe moment. You will recognize what is wrong, and eventually you will do the required thing to manifest your desires. So, my question to you is this: today, how many times have you lived the old story? The old state of mind? How many times have you talked to your best friend about how they have blocked you and are in no contact with you? How many times have you gone on different videos and tried to explain your current situation because you thought someone would tell you something new? They give you answers, and the answer is simple: to persist in your new story, to persist in the state of wish fulfillment. Yet you go around hanging out with your old story. In a way, you are romanticizing it by recalling it every day, attaching new meanings to the things that happened in the past. Your favorite pastime is scrolling through social media, watching clips of couples, and missing a specific person. Some of you may even update your Instagram stories with hurtful quotes about love. Yet there are some others who are updating their best friend about how bad their SP is. After doing all of this, you come to the comment sections and mention that you love them. But you can't stay persistent in the new story that actually signifies love. With a little movement in your 3D, you now try to find ways to take revenge on them by thinking that, if manifestation is true, I'll make them feel dependent upon me. Can you see what you're doing in any other situation besides this making them dependent one? Aren't you persisting in the old story? Aren't you doing the opposite in watching the videos about how to manifest your desires? Everyone tells you to stick with the new story, live from the end, and feel the fulfillment of your wish. All of this means the same thing. Change the way you think, positively, think positive. But you are becoming friends with the old story, the negative one. In his lectures and book, Neville Goddard tells you that you must dare to assume the feeling of the wish being fulfilled or persist in the new story. It is because your dominant feelings manifest in your reality. What you think about the most manifests in your reality. So the 3D is not your enemy or villain. Instead, it is your friend who shows you exactly who you are, what you are conscious of being, or where you are living mentally. Your 3D shows your most dominant assumptions about you, the world, and the people around you. Who can be your friend? The one that is showing what is going on internally, or the one that is manifesting unfavorable outcomes? Don't fight the 3D. Don't ignore the 3D. Just ignore the old story that you keep on repeating. I have seen many people who are repeating the same old story again and again. They claim to be living from the end. Are they really living from the end? If they did, they would not explain their situations to everyone. They would have replaced those incidents with a new, beautiful one. They would have made that old story less important to them. Instead, they would tell everyone why it happened, who is to be blamed, why I am a victim, who did the wrong thing, and all things related to their old stories. Can't you just shut your mouth in front of your best friend for a moment? Can't you be like, everything is okay, things are moving, and I am moving along with them? But no, you have to tell your best friend how you are a victim and that other person is bad. Whenever you mention the old story, your brain starts remembering it and persisting in it because you didn't heal from those wounds internally. Heal them by giving them a beautiful meaning and by persisting in the new state of mind, or, as Neville says, the new man. You must devote yourself to new assumptions and new stories, because the forces of the universe are attempting to rearrange everything and provide you with evidence in 3D of the story you are persisting in. Celebrate the little movements, but don't accept them as the end. Every end is a new beginning. Neville always told you that imagination creates reality. Imagination is not limited to visuals alone. Your inner conversations and the stories you tell yourself are also imaginary. 3D is your friend. In fact, it is your best friend, constantly reminding you what you need to change internally. In my opinion, persisting in the new story is the only way. If nothing seems to be changing, then, my friend, your old story might be strong. You can also feel joy, because if your old story is taking a long time to change, imagine how beautiful it would be when you persist in the new story, which would be even harder to change. With all of this knowledge, just don't be hearers but be doers. Persist in the feeling of the wish being fulfilled by the techniques that give you the feeling of that inner knowing, and live your life. Do the things you love. Exercise every day because it somehow makes you feel complete. Your body was not designed to sit on the couch, hold this smartphone, and scroll endlessly. Your body is made up of the 5 elements that are present in nature, so it feels wonderful to be in the sunshine. Even if you are living in the city, go to the parks and experience the trees, plants, fresh air, and sunlight. You are a wonderful being. It is you who gives meaning to everything around you. However, you must first give yourself the meanings that empower you, because you are both the creation and the creator. You can only change the feelings that are present within you. Stop trying to change the world since it is only a mirror. Man's attempt to change the world by force is as fruitless as breaking a mirror in the hope of changing his face. Leave the mirror and change your face. Leave the world alone and change your conceptions of yourself. The reflection then will be satisfactory. I hope you find something wonderful in this video. Subscribe for more such videos. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.